In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your Slack cache. If Slack is acting up, messages aren't syncing, or images are showing up as blank empty boxes, a corrupted temporary cache file is almost always the cause. Today, I'm going to show you how to clear the Slack cache on desktop and also web browser in under 2 minutes, so your app runs fast and smooth again. So let me show you how to do this. First, let's look at the desktop application for Windows and Mac, which has a dedicated clearing tool built right into the main menu. So if you're on Mac, you can look at the top menu bar and click it. If you're on Windows, click the 3-line hamburger menu in the top left corner right over here and the window to find help. Navigate to help here, then from the drop-down menu, hover over troubleshooting again and click clear cache and then restart right over here in the bottom. As you could see, the app will close and open it up again freshly with the cache cleared and ready to go. So it'll pretty much just delete and wipe away junk files and relaunch itself. Now, if you're experiencing glitched loading screens or missing channels on your phone, you can just patch the cache inside your app settings. And if you're on iOS or Android, tap your profile picture, choose Preferences, and then you will find our Device and Troubleshooting tab, and there you just press Reset Cache and then click Confirm. And finally, guys, if you access Slack inside of Google Chrome, Safari, or Edge, clearing the desktop app won't affect your browser session. So the fastest fix there is executing a forced hard refresh. So when viewing your active Slack web tab, press Ctrl F5. And then on your keyboard, as you could see, my page restarted. And also on Mac, it's going to be Command-Shift-R. This forces the browser to bypass its stored memory and re-download fresh assets straight from Slack's service. And that's it. This is how you can clean it on both web browser, desktop, and off your mobile to clear your cache and hopefully fix your Slack with no bugs or glitches. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.